you guys, so the video of my pasta salad is going viral again. So this year I wanted to give y'all an updated version. This is everything that I'm using. Use what you want to, okay? So first things first, we wash our vegetables, okay? Make sure we wash the dirt off. I mean, it's given garden, but we don't want it to taste like a garden, okay? So we wash our veggies off. And I'm going to cut this onion up, chop it up into tiny pieces. Y'all can do what you do with your onion. This is what I did with mine. Make sure that you have the water boiling hot. Add some salt into there. Throw your pasta in there. And I didn't have a lot of this pasta, so I mixed my pasta. Again, this is my pasta salad. Do what you want to do with yours. But I knew that that little bit wasn't going to be enough, so we added some more gluten-free pasta. While that was boiling, we cut up some veggies, cucumbers, red onion, broccoli, peppers. I know it's not a lot of broccoli. Mind your business, okay? Next, wash your pasta off. It's cold pasta for a reason, okay? But we washing that little boiling water off of the pasta. Next, I put all of the chopped veggies in a bowl, and then I also chopped up some banana peppers and put them in there as well. I put the pasta on top. Yes, it's still hot, but I put it in the refrigerator so it can cool down. Next, season. We gonna have to season, baby. Add some flavor. We got the pretty colors. Let's add some flavor. Those are all of the seasons that I used. And then next, I mixed it up, and I was like, oh, it needs a little bit more seasoning, so I added some more. But at the end, this is how it turned out, and I'm gonna add some Italian dressing to mine, and yeah, this is the recipe for this year.